Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and I promise you this is the last one for today on Mr. Brewer's great macros that he's developed. This one's called the Poor Man's 3D, and if you have a lot of objects you want to try to 3D, this is pretty cool. It'll take any enclosed shape, and I made a hotkey for it. It's just Shift D, and in that length of time, 1, 2, 3, it did that. Now, I've also, while I was loading my videos, I looked at his package, and right here, there's a text document kind of giving you a list. So if you haven't watched page 1 or part 1, resize circles. Here's this poor man's 3D. Let's just try it one more time on a square. Holding down the control button. I'm going to hit Shift 3. No, it's Shift D. Look at that. So I made a hotkey for that, and if you watch all the videos, I kind of explained how to do that. And I've made several videos on 3Ds, and you need to kind of, if you'll search for those, it'll actually show you how to print them and get some better effect. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.